Alright folks, what we have here is a Norman S. Nice Control Systems Engineering book and a M91 Russian assault rifle with 5.62 millimeter standard light armored piercing round. Now this book was for ME 430, ECE 451 for mechanical engineering, and I would like to thank everybody that helped me pass this class, and thank God I'm done with this. And we're gonna see how it handles the 5.62 millimeter. Yep, looks like we got some full penetration there. Oh, there we go. I don't think we're going to be using this book again. Yep. Looks like chapter 9 is pretty good. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Control Systems Engineering can suck my ass.